In this quick video, we focus on our Industry and Materials series. The advanced metallurgical and polarization microscopes from the renowned BA series are ideal for the examination of diverse samples from material sciences or for birefringent samples. The Panthera series are professional material sciences and polarization microscopes for opaque or transparent samples from industry and natural sciences. The PA53 MET microscope series are high-power instruments with multiple automated functions for the analysis of reflecting surfaces in industry and material sciences. The PSM1000 series are OEM-ready setups for best image results of flat reflective specimens. ELWD plant apochromatic objectives deliver clear, true-sighted images for fast orientation and manipulation work. The A2000 MET inverted metallurgical microscopes allows material research with incident bright field or dark field objectives for the inspection of bulky samples. The SMZ171 series are flexible stereo microscopes for research applications in material science. OEM ready, the optics can be implemented also in ESD-sensible environments of manufacturing electronic industries. The SM7 models feature an outstanding optical performance, focusing on all key issues of this microscope type like color, resolution, and shape. Unlock the power of digital microscopy with the new Moticam range. Unmatched adaptability, ease of use, and versatility to view, capture, edit, and share your samples in many different devices. For an in-depth look at the various Focus on Industry and Material models, be sure to watch the extended video.